In order to compete with the TikTok, YouTube is pushing the shorts to everyone's feed. Like as you can see here that although I am not a big fan of watching YouTube shorts, but I can see a lot of shorts that are shown on my feed, and I'm sure that you are also seeing them on your YouTube app feed. In case you want to get rid of these shorts on your feeds or at least reduce their frequency, here is just one switch action that you need to do. Is that you would be shown the shorts in the form of a section. You can see that this is the shorts section, and then we have a long video, and then again after the ad we have a short section. So on any of the short section you will see these three vertical dots here. You need to click them and you will see the option show fewer shorts. You need to click on it, and the next time once you will refresh, so you will see the long videos and you won't see the shorts. As you can see here that I cannot see the shorts on my feed. And that's it. Don't forget to like,